This tutorial review will show you how to extend background in Photoshop. First of all, open your photo. Make a copy of your layer. Select lasso tool and select the object. Now select move to. Click on select. Click on save selection. Give here a name. Click on OK. Now you can deselect. Click on edit. Content error scale. Click on protect. Select the selection. Now you can extend your background like this. Click on done. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.